most frustrating downside to Instagram is that you can only send out posts from your phone or other mobile device. There are programs you can sign up for, such as Hootsuite.com, that allow you to schedule posts via the web in advance. But unless you upgrade to a business account, you still have to do the final posting via mobile. Unlike other social media networks where you can and should drive your followers to your website, Instagram posts do not support clickable links, unless it's a paid ad. One way around this issue is to have your website's URL in the profile bio. When sending out a post where one should go to your website, make sure to remind your followers where to find the link. Also, you should update the link for each promotion, contest, or anytime you want to point people to a custom link.